In this specific video, we shall first understand what the File Explorer is, then look at each individual section of the File Explorer, expound more on the File Explorer ribbon and the quick access area, and later look at the change folder and search options. Most of the time, people confuse File Explorer with Internet Explorer, but look, these are two different applications, and here is the difference. File Explorer is a file management application used by Windows operating system to browse folders and files. So it is the application that provides a graphical user interface that helps users to navigate and access the files stored in a computer. Whereas the Internet Explorer is a Windows built-in web browser that comes along every time you install a fresh operating system. Starting off, how do we access the File Explorer in Windows 10? There are basically two ways how we can access the File Explorer in Windows 10. One is coming over to your taskbar and click on the folder icon. Alternatively, if you do not do that, come over to your search area in the taskbar, type File Explorer. As soon as you start typing, you'll see it appear over here. Click once, the File Explorer will open, and you will see the File Explorer ribbon that resembles exactly that one featured in Microsoft Office applications like Word and Excel. So these ribbon tabs contain commands and features that can help you organize your files and folders. On our left, you'll see the navigation pane that features the quick access items, which you can collapse. Includes the OneDrive if it's installed on your computer, and also the system folders, then your storage devices, which you can go ahead and collapse or expand. Below the File Explorer ribbon, you'll see the quick access toolbar, which you can either show above the ribbon or below the ribbon. I have a full video on how to customize the quick access toolbar in Excel, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can watch that one as well. Let us look at a few customizations that we can make in File Explorer. We have seen how to expand and collapse these menu items here in our navigation pane. We can come over and turn off the navigation pane. Can come and turn it back on. We can click on this option, expand to open folder. We can show all folders. Feel free to click on any of these options to find out. Then we can show all libraries. If that is something we don't want, we can go back to the navigation pane and turn off some of these items. I leave the navigation pane turned on. Then there is preview pane. When you click here, once you select a file, you'll get a preview over here. If you don't want that, we can turn it off. We can either decide to turn on the detailed pane so that when we click on any item, we can get details about that specific file or folder. We can also decide on the layout how we want our folders and files to show up. Click on extra large icons if you like this. Click on smaller icons. You can also test all these other layout options, and whatever fits your preference is what you can turn on, and you can later come back and turn it off So basically, this is how you can play around with the File Explorer. So definitely you have a lot of customizations that you can do on the way how you want your files and folders to display. If you come over and click on the Share ribbon tab, you'll see that you can quickly create a zip file which you can share with your colleagues. I have a full video on how to create a zip file. I leave a link in the description of this video so you can watch that one as well. You can click on any folder or file and send an email or share it with your colleagues. Let's look at how to change folder and search options. You come over to View, click on Options, change folder and search options. So this folder options dialog box will open and you can customize these settings according to your feel. So let us configure by default every time we open File Explorer. Open this PC, apply, click OK. We close our Explorer, come back and open. You'll see it defaults to opening system folders as well as the storage media devices. So we can go back to options, change folder and search options, and we say every time we open File Explorer, default to quick access items, apply, click OK. We close, open again, and you'll see it defaults to opening the quick access items as well as the most recent opened files and folders. So that's how you can quickly work with the File Explorer to organize your files and folders. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give us a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future videos.